the name of this video?
4 vacuums?
4 vacuums. Which 4 vacuums?
Bissell, Eureka, Kirby, and Hoover. This is a Power Force Helix, a turbo brush, and a crevice tool, a wand, and I have a filter. As you can see, 12 motors right here. Look. I have a filter.
Do you have a dirt cup?
Mm-hmm. That's great. I like it. And it's got a washable filter. Awesome. This is my new Eureka bagless wide track. Eureka Boss bagless wide track. And it's bagless. And it's got a hose. It's got a hard surface tool. And a brush.
On the same brush?
The same brush.
It's both.
Both brushes.
Oh.
And a crevice tool. And both extension ones are right there. See? And height adjustment. This is the dirt cup. Looks very nice. I like it. This is my Kirby. And it's got a bag in here. And it's got our helpers. It's www.kirby.com. Okay. That is great.
It's on backwards. The outer bag is on backwards. The inner bag is on correctly.
What? Right? It doesn't have a hose.
Not with it at the moment, anyway.
This is a Hoover wind tunnel stuck propelled, bagless, 12 motor, 31.0, a hose, a turbo brush, my new tools. Great. Now for our extension ones. This crevice tool is large, and there are 2 extension ones right here. Yes, it is kind of big, but then here's our dirt cup. Our carpet height adjustments. I have 4 cups of baking soda, and we're going to dump those for each vacuums. First is the Bissell. I'm going to test those vacuums 3 times.
3 times, huh?
Next is the Eureka. I'm not very happy with this.
Wow, that was like way more than 3 times, and it's still a lot there.
I'm not very happy with that.
No.
Shoot.
That's not very good.
Okay. Is it Kirby?
How'd it do?
Good. Okay. Eureka's second chance. So here we go.
Still left a mess, huh?
Yeah. Number 1, it cleans up the Eureka's messes. Should we do this? Ready?
Congratulations, Hoover.
Congratulations, Hoover. It's done.
Live in shame, Eureka.
Live and change, Eureka. That's it. Thank you for watching.